tornado emergency for southern Muskingum and north-central Morgan. This is a particularly dangerous situation. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for north-central Morgan County, Muskingum County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Roseville, or near Mile of Avondale, moving northwest at 45 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for southern Muskingum and north-central Morgan. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement and the public area confirmed a large wedge tornado and also reports of catastrophic damage and fatalities in Crooksville and Roberts. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Zanesville Terrace around 7:34 p.m., South Zanesville around 7:40 p.m., Zanesville around 7:46 p.m., North Zanesville around 7:55 p.m. Locations impacted include Licking View, Meadow Farm, Darlington, White Cottage, East Fultonham, Philo, Duncan Falls, Chandlersville, Wortley, Pleasant Grove, Sonora, and Hopewell. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for Ashland, Knox, Licking, Muskingum, and Morgan.